Yes guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me tell you, today I'm outside with Revline bikers, you know, big up, but jack on it, not less. We outside. Let me tell you, we there walking and the track is so muddy. So I there walking like a crab. And let me tell you, the rain give me a little bath. I started this video on my GoPro, so I have some morning shots, you know, so I just want to show you all around, guys. Let me tell you, like walking like a duck, penguin, you know. I may have himself, but I don't want to fall, okay? So the story is, guys, while I riding, I tell you, your piece of chibi me. But I leave Julian at the back, you know. But let me show you all the view a little. Pick up everybody watching. Don't forget to like, Isale, share, and subscribe. Alright, I got my out of the potato tights on.
Out of there!
You know? So, big up Fluffy on this one. Big up Koshi, because this morning he wake up and fix my GoPro for me, organize me. Yes, I just didn't take the coat. Good thing, because I have a kind of like a dry fit shirt that could dry fast. So let me show you all around. But people like this sliding enough, you know. Drone zone. Yes, I. Bad fellas making it happen.
Boom, 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 boom.
Hey. Boy, I like to ride the Vanzi. I don't know why. Boy, Vans.
Sweet. I have about 6 pairs of Vanzi.
Whoa, yo.
Yeah.
I had 2, but that's my training shoes. Okay. Yeah. What Fluffy? She right at the back.
I go to the bar, I'm buying about 10 of them.
Hey, let me tell you, but you see the clocks? The last time that threw me down. That end up stick on the seat, I tell you. When I climb on top of the seat, the cheese, it was hot. It stick on the leather on the seat. Me Toby. Yes guys, so I'm still walking. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Just stay tuned, yeah? Fluffy all at the back here, because see, there's a drone in the air right now. You know? Come on! Because when I coming back, I feel I'll just slide down on my backside. Just you. Hey. That one pun body, guys. Look at that. Bad fellas making it. That one. Oh, you say baby on board. He maybe a baby. On what you have the baby? Baby on board what?
Baby on board, yeah. That's the name of the riding school.
Oh.
Riding school, yeah.
No, I was saying like if you put the baby on the bike.
You learn how to ride.
Stop. Guys, I just missed one. I feel like I go put myself in the grass. To you guys. Hey. Yes, my people. Look at the place. So I guess the wind blows that way. You know, you could see it in the grass. Hey, and these blow, we blow that way. Hey, I got the magic class. You know nobody to bring water. And I guess they've done this before. And nobody to tell me bring some water. Watch Fluffy. Let me try and zoom in on Fluffy for you. Fluffy, hurry up!
Where the vehicles are?
Hey.
Yeah.
I'm feeling rain.
I don't know, you're going to the rocks.
Woohoo!
They don't have no banana tree.
Today I'm taking a bath.
I am on the go.
Who D-bag guy?
They have no banana tree. They have no dashing leaf for you.
A Rocky, easy. Guys, let me tell you, you could see the track, right? Big up all my little subbies one time. You could see the track. And I might have to put my phone in my bag because the GoPro my pass have saki rive. You can't buy me twaka. But you know already. Ooh, guys, let me tell you, people have to take their time out here. Leave me there, just dragging my bum bum there, you guys. Huh? So we're going all the way over there. Okay, guys? Alright. Yes, guys. So I got myself here for a little while. Blessings. Them blessings is hardcore blessings. Big up yourself, Jack. That is hardcore blessings, the people. Because let me tell you all, what the man I say, on the side work, I am there because see why? Like Ali said, you don't know already. But that fella's outside making it happen for true. You know, big up all my little subbies, you know. It's never a dull moment, if not less. When we outside, me la play a kai bam way. So I have to cover my bag and all of that. So just stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, hot hasab, subscribe, or call. Why? You don't see that? You saw it? Hey! Oi! Let me tell you all. I think they're 12, a little waterproof, but we can't put it away and miss all the vibes. But people, that's making me be like a duck, okay? So, no people go under the tree. I see people, you know, have an umbrella. Hey, but, yes! I wanted to open it on the bikey, but hey, I have an umbrella. You'll see things. I'm not buy. I have things. My sub is checking on me. They send me umbrella. You know? And it's always on my side. Coffee, big up yourself one time. And don't feel this one, huh? I have all sizes, so that one is for my back. So guys, let me tell you all, girl, I'm feeling like, let me tell you all, look at me. Hey guys, how you doing today? Today is Sunday. I didn't even go and cook food by the river today because the sea is dirty. The river too, you know. The river came down, a man even lose his life, you know. R.I.P. to the penny man. You know, he was my good little friend, you know. But let me show you all around, guys. Yeah? Well, what like? Yes, guys. So this is what the place looks like. The people all over there. Fluffy have umbrella. So you could see the people different places. So I'll have to pull my camera in under the umbrella. This all up. The umbrella fall. Woohoo. Yes, people. So we out here. That fella's making it happen for you. Look, the camera gets a little blurry, but everything is gonna be alright. You know what Bob Marley said? Every little thing is gonna be alright. You know? Yeah, man. Just stay tuned, guys. Guys, they already give us a little chance. But they may palette of it, man. Some may palette of it. Let's do a little zoom in there Fluffy not nowhere to be found because we don't see red yet. So, yeah. Guys, let me tell you. I think I should. Boy, after that trial, I don't know what I'm going to do. You know? But somebody take a screenshot. We are here. Let's tell you, Nadia. Michelle, bring up yourself one time. Let me tell you, Kofi, we outside and we muddy. Big up my little subscribers one time. Big up my little team. Big up Fluffy and this one, Revline bikers. So what else have they put in Poutier? Même si puis mes sal. Yeah. You know. So, even if my feet dirty, I picture I have to take a walk for that. Reach. Harry, I've reached the top. 758, we outside, yeah? Come and say we made it there, but I say, Harry, we have reached the top. You know? Try to stop us. Yes, guys. So look at this. Yes. The portrait I see here. So it was perfect after all. Rain up and the rest of the crew is coming in. How was the walk, Fluff? Guys, look, Fluffy just reached.
You barely made it.
I barely made it.
They lie on you. You did it, sis. You look lovely still.
Thank you.
What's the bike life and Fluffy bubble? Hey. Stop there. What traffic? Bike life. Hey, hey.
If you walk there again,
Bike or foot, you will make it.
yeah, for sure.
So guys, let me tell y'all,
Yes.
we have the St.Lucia map right down there.
And after, oh, who's the bad guy? Let me show you what Fluffy talking about. You see it? They could see it. Look it right there, guys. The St.Lucia map. Yes. You see my camera really cooperating with this atmosphere. You know? Oh yeah, there. True. Yes, people. I just come and zoom on the map of St.Lucia here. Hey, let me tell you, I even vexed I don't bring my bathing suit. I vexed I don't bring my bathing suit. I was going down there. But la playa babe, I'll make you swim. My girl. Hey, hey, hey. Hey. What Fluffy show you? The bike life you have on your backside is making you do that. But guys, it's all good. You know I got my girl here. You only live once, remember that?
Andre, why you go down there?
Andrea had to go down there. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the sky. Wow. Hi, drone guy. This guy's got a bug flying around the place. And since that day, tell me coming and cook a food with me.
Yeah, time. You can ask you.
Hey, play like time is your own. Yes, I see that.
Other thing.
Guys, St. Lucia is so beautiful. And then, ooh. So guys, I'm just gonna take a little walk. You know? all my little subbies again. I've been seeing you all around the place. I think I need to do a school tour. I don't know how I would go about doing that, but I think I need to do a school tour. Pick up all the school children watching and letting their parents watch too. I have to say that on both channels. That's why I try to keep it safe for you guys. What's that cactus there, guys? Let me tell you, I'm using my stick. Look at that. Look it on the side. Yes, they have cactus there. Not some there, but the cactus I do. But the prickles are extra on them. You know? The prickles extra. Ouch! One prick! I hope it's not poisonous. Okay? Guys, let me tell you, I was up at 3 o'clock this morning. Right now, it's about 6:30, and I'm in the Revline bikers with my little AKT big up cuts on time. Yes, I. So my AKT there in the big bikes for sure, you know. But when we were coming here, the rain do a lot of things with us, slum us, wet us. But tout bagay bon. Là, vous savez, the inquisitive girl is outside. Where did the tout bagay? Yes, I. Just stay tuned, guys. Out there. Oh, look them and see. We could do a yesterday. So guys, I'm going down. You all know I'm not stay at the top pouring. You all know that. So make you miss me. It looks like I finish one day. DC dash me there. Ahoy! Bad fellas! Ahoy! Bad fellas making it happen. But you. I want to see. Let me tell you all. Hey guys, may I fat guy yeah? Guys, look at me. How you mean? I ain't gonna fall down there. I'm a stone master. Never get another rascal. So people, let me tell you, my two battle. This is stone. That's not stone from my community, that's stone from me cool. Stone. Yes, I need to get a little photo there. What name is Bakaila? You want to see, right? Wait. Yes, guys. So I have to go down now because it's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. That's the next time we come, eh?
Go down by there. Go down by there.
The next time we come here, I come in for fun. I come in for fun. What? What do you see? I think the right place is there. Watch that, guys. Watch that. Bad fellas making it happen.
Not less strands.
Yeah. Man coming down. Everybody coming down under the stone. But I have a bag up there. I have to go and cover. Yes, I. What do you reckon, guys? Hey, hold on, guy. What? Hey, what do you want, guy? What fluffy and hey, my brother. Fluffy. Yes. Hey, drop your head. Just to show the just like to feel sexy. I'm my brother. Huh? Guys, I got my food inside. After the potato. So, I'm leaving now. Okay? I'm interested now. Everybody's in now, so I'm just going to keep my head a little bit, until I get to my helmet. So I'm getting the photos. That's how we say muddy puddles. Next slide, everybody. So just stay tuned, guys. We're gonna have breakfast right now. I Saba and we're watching. Cactus. So guys, we're almost at the top again. We're almost there. Look the vehicles down there. Okay, well, we're almost there because I could see the vehicles. Guys, my feet, mud, fluffy. You know? Yes. Fluffy outside. Just stay tuned, guys. Breakfast time. Alright?
What's wrong?
Your slipper wet. Yes, guys. Let me tell you all, it's Peppa Pig season, we. It's muddy puddles. Y'all see it, we. You know, that is the rest of the Dominican I had left. You know, but it's all good. Big up my Dominican massive one time. See, boy, it's muddy puddle, we. It's sorry. Boy, boy. Boy, Jack on at 758, we outside and we sliding, Fluffy, we sliding, slide, wet grass, muddy, me good, slidey, but guys, just stay tuned, eh? As I told you all, we're heading out now for breakfast. Everybody try and move their bike, their car. You don't know what you came on. But I tell them push my bike by the road because I started. As I told you, I was using the GoPro, but oh, Jack on it. Big up cause at one time. AKT, my big up cuts. Bon, the ice stick. Watch that. You see that? Rock landing that causing us. One day. Okay. That causing rock landing. Let's see. Alright, but you know, not less always under the bush, that is small things. Okay? Okay! Bye guys, see y'all. Yeah? Bad fellas, I don't want them to slide, you know. See how it's sliding. Easy there, guys. Out today. Bad bikes, guys. Otzi. Eh. What? I don't know. Okay, easy there. Lulush. Moving that way, Fluff. Yes, guys, I'm by the road. So you'll know already. Breakfast time in a bit. I can't wait. People watch the show. Yeah. Yes, guys, so we out here. You know, breakfast time. Yeah. Yeah, we outside for sure. Yeah. We are tea, cuisine. Yeah. See how troublesome he is. Safe. Are you leaving now? Highway. We go. Yeah, people, so just stay tuned, yeah? So guys, eating time. I had a bread already. I ate a dry bread. And then my cocoa almost finished.
Give me 2 vibes.
Because I took so much time.
Give me 2 vibes.
So are we telling me? We'll take it in my bag. Take it in my bag.
How much?
Yes, good fluffy one.
How much money?
Look. So y'all know already people eating time manta pour phone me a fait de bon matin me le chime me kai manger. You too.
I vex. I just getting food.
Okay, she wanted to eat everything. I eat a dry bread. Me put do pwe. Yes. So right now I could have wait and eat. I have a little cucumber salad with saltfish. You know. So after the potato. So guys, I'm done eating. You know. I just come and take a little chill, come and see around. Just gonna have a sit here. How do you call in here? The market. So I'm at the market in Nikun. Let me show you guys. Yes, that's the lady. You see, that's the lady that I'm telling you. That's the lady that has been on TikTok. Yeah, so you all know already. I just showing you guys around, you know.
Yes, I will come and check it.
So guys, we're leaving now. To where? Where we going?
Yes, you're going to play.
Huh? He said we're going home. What is Lucia? Lucia Sala. But we there, guys.
I go do that in for 2 weeks here, eh?
You ready? I attack it, sir. I attack it, Fluff. Yeah, people, so next stop. You're done already, just stay tuned. I'll step a bit.
I want a picture.
So guys, right now we're in Tenerife in the Murderly lookout point. Okay? So we just had a drink at the bar there. And I'm having a thing, because y'all know, y'all girls don't drink alcohol, yeah? I just try something sometimes, I go lie, but that's my thing, you know? It's not going with me, but make I try daily. But when I do, hey, let me show you all now, yeah? Hey. And we've been here before, so you know already. Yes, guys. So if you visit St.Lucia, that's why you could come and take a few photos. I want to go in the people thing, you know. Before I hear their conversations are not manners, but I could show you all how we put the bike out there. So, and there are other places to eat and thing. You all don't know already. Fried chicken, fried bakes, macaroni and cheese, bagay. So you all know already. We just here chilling. I don't know what the next stop is, but just stay tuned, yeah? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We're in St. Lucia.
Oh, yes.
We will go to your neighbor.
But you close it already, you open it already, so now.
Yes, guys, we're just chilling still. Yeah. So, guys, this is Yuma,
Yeah,
and he's got a belt.
that's my belt.
That's- yes.
That belt is not a universal belt.
Okay.
That's a Kennedy belt. Yuma belt, you see what?
Proper. Yes, side. So nobody can put that in their waist.
Nah, nobody can put that. Nah.
I would have tell you, let me try it, but
You try the belt.
yeah.
Trust me, that belt. When you put that belt in your, I'll tie you to it, baby.
Oh,
She said she should try the belt.
hold that. Let me try it too.
Try the belt.
So if it fit me now,
Well, if it fits, you'll have to put a ring on it. Should I go fit you?
Like that. If it fits, put a ring on it.
and hold it, you just have that in your.
That's like a karate belt here, a gi belt.
So guys, this is it.
Kennedy belt.
White belt. You know? And it. We out.
Oh, you got just something. What you doing? You taking
So, Ras, you want a belt, so? Oi, Ras, you want a belt, so? A Kennedy belt. Cause I just make belt for everybody, and somebody go pay. Just make belt for everybody, so that means nobody can take your belt. Hello?
Let the viewers know that this belt will be available on Amazon as of next year.
Fluff, you have to buy one for PJ. Support the vibe.
No, they have
That bell not fitting me.
Jordan, it's in all different sizes.
What's Jacob they
You
give
just
Fluff?
need to order, put in your order early. And then
Drink it on that side, they tell you. Drinking on that side. So guys, Jolene drinking on the side. So guys, we just chilling. Y'all don't know the vibe already.
yeah, you have to come on a ride.
give me some. That wine nice.
Out of the potato.
We outside.
Outside.
Okay, get the wine by pump.
In the video.
Sorry.
Do that video.
Out of
I
the
could take it
potato,
out.
spirit of St.Lucia.
Oh, AI.
Would you like a shot?
AI.
That's how we
Yeah,
roll.
AI. Yes.
We have lime and we have coconut. That's how we roll. We have two kinds. We have lime
Take care, baby.
and coconut. Spirit of St. Lucia. Made in St. Lucia.
Born in St.
The
Lucia.
spirit of St. Lucia.
Very.
And Daman say, once it's that you have, you can cut style on him. Go.
That's his thing,
Them
self.
kind of win dynamite thing. Win not like that.
My thing, self,
Yeah.
is whiskey. Just give me any whiskey and I good.
Win like them too.
The type of whiskey I have at my home, I don't even drink by myself at home. I have to have company. People have to come and help me. Because foreign whiskey I have at home. Okay, double 7.
Yes, guys, so we're done chilling now. So we're getting ready to leave. As I told you, people, I feel so bad that my GoPro pin, it fell off and I couldn't even take any road shots, you know, but I was up for free this morning. I'm proud of myself. Big up yourselves too, because you're watching me. You know, I have some fans over there, you know, and followers. So guys, I think we're heading out now. So big up yourselves. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I don't know where we're going to stop, so I just doing what I have to do, you know. Yes, so just stay tuned. I don't know if you have to stay tuned or if you have to off your phone or your TV. So just stay there. Sit right there. Yes, guys. And let me show you all a little view again of the place. We in St. Lucia, Denry in the Mudley, the lookout point, you know. But the little vibe was good. But, you know, when I get home, I'll talk to you all. You know, when I get to my community. Let me show you guys. Yes, people. So this is the view again. Zoom in a little. Yes. So the guys chilling still. And you're done already. Out of the potato. So guys, Fluffy going and rest in the vehicle. Show the people your face.
I quit.
She says she quits. So how you enjoyed the ride this morning? Fluffy, how you enjoyed the ride?
Great, but my body is tired.
Look your bottles.
Hello, how you enjoyed the ride today?
The ride is just great. The excitement, the thrill, the camaraderie. Everybody is just like, wow. The food, the drinks, tout bagay.
Now your gloves?
Next time going to be big and better.
How you enjoyed the ride? Gloves.
How you
Hello.
enjoy the ride?
Oh, the ride was fantastic. We had a bit of rain, but nonetheless, we enjoyed ourselves. Good breakfast. I finished a good breakfast. It was this delicious, enjoyable. We had a stop at the viewpoint in Denry.
Where you get an accent from?
It was enjoyable.
You from St. Lucia?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. How you enjoyed the ride?
Oh, it was fantastic. That's great. It was a great vibe.
Of course she did. Where she?
Yeah, it was a great vibe.
Yes, I.
Want to come?
I had a wonderful time. Thank you, Revline. We should do it again.
Yeah.
I think you should say more often.
Better days.
Yes, I. Mechanic, how you enjoy the ride? Yeah, man, pick up. We're outside. So, guys, Jolie's going in the car, and I'll be getting on my bike.
On my own bus. I sleep in all day tomorrow.
Yes, guys, so I'm ready to roll. Yes, I. So, guys, I'm back home. You know, I enjoyed the ride. What can I say? Today I had a full face, not a pan, you know. Safety on the road, you don't know already. My back tire people last went boy. I had to take my time to reach home. Fluffy was tired. She couldn't ride back with me, but that's okay, you know. But big up Revline riders, not less TV. Big up yourselves. Out of the potato. The jelly.
To the potato.
We large. Out of the. Not this.